Hello and welcome to the channel GeoStars. Today's topic of discussion is economic activities and its types. In this regard, first of all, we will try to understand as to what are economic activities. Actually, all the activities related to man which ultimately produces wealth or money are categorized as economic activities. वे सभी क्रियाएं जिनसे मनुष्य पूंजी या धन अर्जित करता है आर्थिक क्रियाएं कहलाती हैं. These economic activities can be broadly classified into 5 types. First, primary activities, प्राथमिक क्रियाएं. Second, secondary activities, द्वितीयक क्रियाएं. Third, tertiary activities, तृतीयक क्रियाएं. Fourth, quaternary activities, चतुर्थ क्रियाएं. And fifth, quinary activities, पंचम क्रियाएं. Primary economic activities are those activities which are directly connected to the environment or directly rely on nature. वे सभी क्रियाएं जिनमें प्रकृति अथवा पर्यावरण से सीधा या प्रत्यक्ष संबंध होता है उन्हें प्राथमिक क्रियाएं कहते हैं. Like farming, hunting, ranching, mining and fishing etc. People involved in the primary activities are termed as red collar workers. Secondary economic activities. These are those economic activities in which people use raw material to produce or manufacture new products of greater value. वे सभी क्रियाएं जिनमें कच्चे माल से नवीन पदार्थों का निर्माण विनिर्माण प्रणाली द्वारा किया जाता है द्वितीयक आर्थिक क्रियाएं कहलाती हैं. It is also known as manufacturing sector economy. These activities are related to industry, construction, manufacturing, processing and infrastructure activities of the economy. Basically, this sector is the main driver of present-day economic progress. People involved in secondary activities are termed as blue-collar workers. So, all types of manufacturing industries are included in secondary economic activities. In the present table, few examples are listed. Like, iron rod is used as raw material in iron industry to produce various products and machines. Similarly, wax is used to produce candle, woods are used to make furniture, grass is used to manufacture paper, chemical to produce medicine, sugarcane to produce sugar and bamboo sticks to make agarbattis. Tertiary economic activities. All the economic activities which help in making primary and secondary produce available to the industrialist and consumer is known as tertiary economic activities. वे सभी क्रियाएं जिनके द्वारा प्राथमिक व द्वितीयक उत्पाद उद्योगपतियों एवं उपभोक्ता को प्राप्त होते हैं तृतीयक आर्थिक क्रियाएं कहलाती हैं. It includes transportation, communication, services of merchants, brokers, bankers, traders, etc. Actually, people engaged in this type of activities are not directly related to the commodity production, but they are related in the process of production and consumption. People engaged in this type of activities are called pink-collar workers. Quaternary economic activities या चतुर्थ आर्थिक क्रियाएं. Quaternary activities are related to occupational or administrative services. It includes financial activities like health services, information technology, entertainment, and they function in a specialized environment like schools, hotels, health centers, etc. People employed in such services are known as white-collar workers. Quinary economic activities. In comparison to other activities, the area or the shape of quinary activities is restricted. It includes problem-solving services like researchers, professional consultants in colleges, universities and hospitals, etc. People involved in this group includes doctors who specialize in rare conditions, lawyers with extensive experience, CEOs, professors, mathematicians and other highly skilled highly educated positions. People involved in such activities are called gold collar workers. Now there are some other collar workers too, like grey collar. Grey collar are skilled technicians who fall under the definition of both white and blue collar. Example, IT technicians and engineer who technically perform white collar job but can also perform manual labor on occasion. Or it includes workers who have passed the retirement age but continue to work. Next is black collar. They are the workers who work in a dirty manual labor settings like sanitation, waste processing, etc. Next, scarlet collar. Scarlet collar workers who work in the sex industry like prostitutes, exotic dancers, cyber sex operators, etc. Then comes the green collar. The green collar workers involved in companies which focus on environmental or sustainable living development. These can range from nuclear engineers, environmental consultants, employees working for solar energy companies, plumbers and electricians who specialize in green solutions, and business owners who focus on going green. And last but not least is no-collar worker. The no-collar workers are artists and other workers who aren't interested in financial gains and work for the passion and personal growth. They are not unemployed, but they don't work for payment either. So with this, we have come to the end of today's topic. Hope you have found it very informative. Please do comment and do write more topics which you want to be discussed in the comment box. And at the end, I would like to say, रेगिस्तान भी हरे हो जाते हैं, रेगिस्तान भी हरे हो जाते हैं, जब अपनों के साथ अपने खड़े हो जाते हैं. So once again, thank you for watching. If you like the video, do like and share. If not subscribed till yet, do subscribe by pressing bell button so that you don't miss further notification. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay motivated. Thank you.